and we needed the whole, the way we display, and we're getting great results. So I think, I would just say the challenge is just kind of getting over yourself.
So this is a classic, he mentioned, Sitanshu spoke about, I have no challenges but stories, and this is a classic story. You change the decor, the look and feel, the interiors, and suddenly the same old, in couples also, thoda change ho gaya to naya, but wo naya hota nahi hai. Having said that, here is a classic example where he got a lot of footfalls and the acceptance from the consumer. And I feel that's where the freshness comes in, and retail and the science of retail teaches us a lot about it from a visual merchandising perspective and things like that. But this
so in FMCG industry, there's just one challenge, that the MRP is printed. So you all have to do is you have to bleed the margins in order to boost sales. So just like they said that during the festive seasons, in order to boost sales, we do bleed a lot of margin. But now, since I said that a lot of upcoming supermarkets, upcoming quick commerce segments are there, so now all throughout the year we have to give a lot of discounts in order to attract the customers, that okay, here also you get the same kind of pricing that you see on the e-commerce platforms. So that I would say is common for all the players in the FMCG segment.
Good. Now we'll come to the final point, which is what we were supposed to discuss. That is future-proofing retail. Okay. Now we saw adapting to consumer behavior and market dynamics. We have seen and heard all our panelists talking about it. Time's almost up, but in 2, 3 or 4 words, if you can tell us, how are you going to future-proof retail? So something, before we go to our panelist, Sumit, if you would like to talk from your perspective, from a realistic perspective, how will you future-proof retail in your business or category?
I think e-commerce is very important nowadays. Everybody is adopting with this culture of fast and quick e-commerce. So that is one change which every retailer, every brand, every company have to adopt this technology to remain in the competition and dominate their market presence to be in the market.
आप real estate वाले और आप e-commerce
No, we are into a diversified business. We are into also in hospitality. So in Kolkata we have got 3 benchmark properties. One is Westin Kolkata, we have Taj Vivanta, Andhra and Fairfield Marriott as well.
Very good. Thanks, Sumit. Your key, how are you going to future-proof retail?
For me, I think if staying true to my core value, I can still experiment with technology and build my back end, provided I can still offer that value to my customer, price with respect to quality. That's the kind of implementations I'm going to incorporate in my business.
Good. Priyanka.
Very, very similar actually. Very similar thought process. But same, operational efficiency is the key, especially for us legacy businesses. It's a challenge because we've been in the market for so many years. So being able to create a company-wide change within the organization to adapt operationally to the current times, I think is the biggest prospect for us that we need to work on. And second is innovation. Innovation in products, innovation in service. Looking at things differently is another key.
Thanks.
I think embracing technology is the way forward. That way it can help you retain your old customers as well as acquire new customers. And staying true to and staying core to your DNA, not trying to be very flashy or becoming someone else or any national brands. We want to stick to the bottom of the pyramid, maintain the price points which our customers expect when they come to our showrooms. Is like just staying core to your DNA is the way forward.
Thanks.
So I think innovating and having the high tech with the high human touch is very important in order to have the consumer base intact.
Good.
I think for me the question is not future-proofing retail but future-proofing any brand. And brand is an energy and brands have to tell stories. So as long as you tell the relevant stories, you will be relevant in the market.